We'll start with a square. That, and then you can put a rectangle right over here. There you go. So you got a square and a rectangle. And then we'll build the roofs. You do it by drawing a triangle and a trapezoid. The key is not to make too big of a triangle here. It has to kind of match the square, but a little wider. And then draw a triangle on top of the square. Don't make it too tall of a triangle. Make it pretty short. Then we'll do a trapezoid, or at least we'll start the trapezoid. And it'll go straight over, and that's it. And we won't finish it. Okay, so we have the roof completed. I always like to add a little chimney, do another square and a rectangle on top of there. And then last, we can do the door, so that's just another rectangle right here with a little circle. For the doorknob, you can make windows. Once again, another square right there with 2 lines. And then you can also come over here and make a bigger window. I have to put 3 lines there. And then up here, make a window. You could always take your green and make some trees or bushes. You just draw circle after circle. That's all you have to do to make bushes. Make it extend past the house. And come back with your brown. Just put some dashes in there. And then if you want, you can make a sidewalk, trapezoid after trapezoid. Some garage, just 2 lines right there. For a sun, just a circle with some lines. There you go. You have a house using basic shapes.